Can you pay interest on unsubsidized loans while in school? Breaking news for students and borrowers. A question that is trending right now is whether you can pay interest on unsubsidized loans while still in school. With many students navigating their finances, knowing the answer is essential. If you are enrolled at least half-time, you may be wondering about the implications of your student loans. Yes, you can pay interest on unsubsidized loans while you are still in school. Many borrowers choose to do so to avoid interest being added to the principal balance later. Unlike subsidized loans, unsubsidized loans start accruing interest as soon as the loan is disbursed. This means that even while you are in school, interest is accumulating. The interest continues to accumulate during your time in school, during the grace period, and any deferment periods. If you do not pay the interest as it accrues, it will be capitalized. Capitalization means that the interest will be added to the principal amount of your loan once you enter repayment. This capitalization increases the total amount you owe because future interest will be calculated on a higher principal balance. Paying the interest while in school can help reduce the overall cost of the loan. It prevents the capitalization that can lead to a larger debt burden later. However, it is important to note that paying the interest is not required. You can choose to either pay it or let it accrue and capitalize later. This situation is different from subsidized loans, where the government pays the interest while you are in school and during the grace period. As of recent changes in federal law, subsidized loans for undergraduate students have been eliminated. This means that all new federal student loans for undergraduates are now unsubsidized and accrue interest immediately. Therefore, if you have an unsubsidized loan, it is financially beneficial to pay the interest during school if you can afford to do so. However, you are not obligated to make these payments until after you leave school or enter repayment. Understanding these options can help you make informed financial decisions during your academic journey.